I'm Jessica with Lifecycle Sherpa, a community and resources for those affected by Parkinson's disease. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and sign up for our free resources at lifecyclesherpa.com, which is in the link below. Okay, let's do it. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a long-handled shoe horn. I'm sure a lot of you have seen the shorter version of this, but this is great for if you're standing up and you want to put your shoes on, or if you just don't have enough flexibility to bend all the way over. So the main thing that you're going to do here is you're going to stick the shoe horn into the back so that the rounded edge would perfectly fit your heel. Then you're going to stick your toe in and slide your heel right along the edge and pull right out just like that. And then I'll show you from a standing position. If you are going to do it in standing, I really do recommend holding on to something sedentary that isn't going to slide around and move in case you do lose your balance and need to have a seat. So you stick your toe in, stick that shoe horn in, and slide and push. Simple as that. If you found this video helpful, please like it so that others can see it too, and don't forget to subscribe for more.